Landing flaps. Flaps up.
Hey Todd, are you good? Okay, I'm going up.
Landing flaps.
Taxi it out!
Throttle cut. Normal mode. China cleared.
Okay, take it off.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Come on in.
True. Not everyone has your skills, man.
Ah, thank you. Thank you.
Hey, Frank, where? Colorado? Where's she located? New Mexico. New Mexico, that's what I knew.
Go ahead.
Coming out.
I should have waited. I didn't know you were coming out.
That's alright. The window.
I took off right to left.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
It's mainly on the left, coming out of the left.
Squarely.
Go ahead. Oh, you're already coming back. Good. Coming to you. Okay.
Time remaining.
Oh, come on in. We see. Come on. He's got a problem.
Can we go the other way?
Yeah, go. Nobody up now. It's just us. Really? Oh, they after like 6 months they quit. So it's not taking a load very well.
10, 9, 8.
Even though the Hobby Kings would puff, they wouldn't do that.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
That's not good.
It's already low?
1.6 under low.
Oh, that's bad. Maybe if they heat up they get a little better? Do they get a little better if they heat up?
Landing!
I'll come in behind you.
Gear down.
What the hell is that?
Landing flaps.
Tell me when you're in. Okay. Landing! From the right.
Minute over. Flaps up.
said was gonna happen. Nice.
Yeah, I tried to not listen to you. That was actually kind of cool. It's kind of cool. We were sort of kind of keeping together.
Yeah.
What happened? It's just you didn't like the battery? I noticed that the hobby star after you've flown